Charlie the squirrel led me to Honora Bird's gallery in Old Town. He too finds it a welcoming gem of a space, tucked behind and beneath the other galleries on the west side of Turner Street.
The squirrel up the right was right over here.
There he is.
Come here, Charlie. Hi.
Honora uses the space to display her own work and showcase the work of others.
I wanted a place where I wasn't going to be constantly interrupted. If you're up on the main street, you have people in and out all the time, and then I can't work. The other thing, I particularly wanted to give a launching spot for new artists.
Until the end of October, the gallery will be displaying Paloma Rosales' paintings of the Solderadas, the often ignored women of the Mexican Revolution.